Are you losing customer support emails on Gumroad? Learn how to set your support email in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to go in your Gumroad dashboard to update your support email. Just follow these simple steps. First, head to your Gumroad dashboard by clicking on the dashboard link in the top navigation. Then, click on the drop-down menu next to your profile picture. From that drop-down, select Settings to open your account settings page. Now, click on Settings in the drop-down menu to open your account settings page. Now, under the Support Email section, type in the email address you'd like to use for customer support. After entering your email, scroll down and click the Update Settings button to save your changes. And that's it. You're all set. Your support email is now updated. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.